From Wall Street to Main Street, this is LALATE.
It's a big day here on Crypto with LALATE, with incredible details about your about your top cryptocurrency picks of 2021. In this recording, we'll go over the top cryptocurrency coins to invest in and when to invest in, and why buying and holding will lose your shirt of this summer of 2021. A crypto crash is currently underway. It's been going on for weeks, and Sunday was very severe. This whole week will continue the downtrending trend. And if you're buying to hold for a 3-month turnaround, you will lose your shirt. It's a recommendation I have told viewers to stay away from weeks. My price points of where I said coins are heading are almost there. I said that Bitcoin, for example, will reach somewhere between 25 to 29,000 in 3 weeks. Well, today, Bitcoin is at 29,000. I had said that Ethereum will be heading to about a 1,500 to 1,900 in 3 weeks. It's there today as well. And then Doge, I had been saying it was going into the mid-teens within 3 weeks. It's there today as well. Coins are falling across the board. Coins that once were $2 are now at 70 cents. And even our anomaly coins from 2 weeks ago, the coins that had a big, beautiful run, are falling apart, like Compound, Aave, and also Synthetic, and also Live Peer, Decentraland, SushiSwap. Other coins across the board are not doing well as well, like Engine Coin. What's going on? I'll explain all the details in today's big broadcast of crypto here on LALATE. How are you? Boy, it's exactly as I said it was going to happen. We're going low, and we're far from over from going low. There's an old adage, you can't have down days every single day. And 3% down every day will just eventually erode a coin's position. And Ethereum was doing this weeks ago, months ago. It was going down every single day. And I said, hey, can't keep on doing this. You're eventually going to go back to those January levels, and that's where we are. So subscribe. 400,000 subscribers, a YouTube record, fastest growing cryptocurrency channel there is. Next stop, 1 million. I want you to be part of this family. Hit that subscribe button right now. 400,000 in 1 year. Next stop, 1 million. The reason why this channel is doing well for crypto is because I cover all the coins. I cover all the buying and selling opportunities. And my predictions have been absolutely 100% on point every single step of the road. I predicted the fourth market crash. I predicted what's going to happen out of the fourth market crash. And I predicted everything from the fourth market crash to now. And I believe that my predictions about where we're going to be for the rest of summer are going to be correct as well. Let's go back to understanding how we got to the spot, because it's so incredibly important. If you don't understand where coins are now, then you don't understand where they're headed. Let's go over where we're going on. Well, coins had a beautiful run from January to May. You could buy a coin, put it away, and not look at it, and go up 1,000%, and that's what happened. But by May, things started to unravel. What happened? On a Tuesday morning at about 4 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, the People's Republic of China, PCR, issued a statement. Coins plummeted, crash number 1. But by Wednesday, they were fully rebounded, less than 24 hours. Great news. Then on Thursday, PCR issued another statement, same time, crash number 2. But on Friday, coins rebounded. Great news. In fact, Saturday, they were higher. They went really high on Saturday. But by Saturday afternoon, they started to erode. And by Sunday, crash number 3, by Saturday afternoon into Sunday evening, crash number 3, far more pervasive, because coins went lower than the prior 2 crashes, and no PCR statement. But by that next Wednesday, less than 48 hours later, coins doubled in value, an enormous rebound. Polygon went from 80 cents to $2. Decentraland, 50 cents to $2. Engine, 80 cents to $2. Coins are just absolutely going bonkers. Great moves across the board. But here's what happened. After that rebound, after the third market crash, I saw something happening. I saw Ethereum losing 3% every 48 hours. I'm not saying every 24 hours, I'm saying every 48 hours. This is huge because it was going up and going down, going up and going down. And if you just looked at the ups and said, oh, the ups are great, for every down day there's an update, big deal. No, because the downs were more severe than the ups. Like the ups were up 2% on one day, and the next day the downs were down 10%. So that there was more down than up. The net was, Ethereum was going down 3% every 48 hours. And so was Bitcoin. And so I established 2 price points. If Bitcoin gets under 35,000 for more than 24 hours, we're going to crash again for the 4th market crash. Or if Ethereum gets under 2,500 for more than 24 hours, we're going to have a 4th market crash. Well, Bitcoin didn't do it just yet. It stayed at about 36,000, so we're good. But Ethereum, boy, Ethereum was under 2,500 for over a week. I said, folks, there's going to be a crash. I mean, this is so obvious because I said either Ethereum or Bitcoin. And then Ethereum went to 2,100. I said, here you go. This Sunday, the market crash is going to hit. Why did I say based upon 2,100? Because that was the price point before the last market crash. And what happened? Ethereum crashed that Sunday. Only thing I didn't predict was another PCR statement. That was crash number 4. Now, this crash is the crash you need to know for all this summer. Why? Because that crash was different than anything we had ever seen. The crash started on Sunday, continued on Monday, continued on Tuesday, did not end until a late Tuesday. A 3-day market crash. Yes, coins went from here to here over 3 days. They continued to crash over 3 days. It was a very severe crash. To which I said, when they got to the base of the 3rd day, I have 3 possibilities of what could happen. Either the coins stay at where they are and get worse, or stay in this range, or they go above where they were and fully rebound within 24 hours. I said, if they do not go above where they were within 24 hours and they do the other 2 scenarios, we are going to have a very down, negative summer. We're going to devalue day after day for the rest of the summer. And guess what? No coin rebounded within 24 hours after that last day of the crash. They did not rebound. So by all accounts, the coins were set up for a bad summer. They never rebounded for that last market crash. They either stayed in the range or they stayed at the bottom. The only 2 exceptions were Bitcoin and Ethereum. After 2 weeks, which doesn't count because it's a very long time frame, they finally rebounded to the pre-crash levels, but it took 2 weeks. That's not good. They should rebound in 24, 40 hours. It shouldn't take 2 weeks. And with that, I said, hey, this is what's going to happen. Coins are going to devalue over the whole rest of the summer. How low did I say coins are going to go? Coins have gone up a mountain and come down the mountain, approximately maybe 25 to 50% down the mountain on the other side. I said we're going to go to the bottom of the mountain. Yeah, I literally said it that low, to the bottom of the mountain. So I said wherever coins were in February, that is where we're going to go. My price targets were the following. I said that Bitcoin will go somewhere between 25 to 29,000. Ethereum will go somewhere between about 1,300 to about an 1,800. And Bitcoin will go into the mid-teens. And then I said somewhere in the next 3 weeks, PCR will issue another statement, and that will be it. Coins will then really tank. Bitcoin will go under 25,000. Ethereum will go under 1,500. Will go potentially under 1,000. And Doge will go to low teens, maybe 12 cents, 13 cents. Well, on Sunday, this Sunday, coins really took a bad hit. Now, I told you going into last weekend what coins do. They go up on Saturday and they go down on Saturday afternoon, Sunday. They did exactly that. They did exactly what they've done for 5, 10, 8 weeks. They have good Mondays. They have good Tuesdays generally. And then by Friday, they start to downtrend. But by Friday evening, they go up really high by Saturday at about noontime. And then by Saturday by noontime, they start to crash all the way, reaching their lowest price point by Sunday evening. And they did. And guess what? The only difference is on a Monday, they're not coming back yet. So the situation is very serious, but there's opportunities for you to make money. I'm still first explaining to you where this market's going. So here's Bitcoin. Ouch. So that's Bitcoin, a 1-day chart. We're looking at Gemini. This is the 1-day chart. You want to look at the 7-day chart? Let's look at the 7-day chart. Yeah. So not good. It was 33,000. It's now 30,000. How is this coin done? Here you go. Here's the mountain. The coin looks like it's about 60% down the mountain. You can tell because the highest price point was 60,000. It's at 30,000 now, 29,000. So where is it next heading? It's heading to about 26,000. It'll be there in about a week or two. It's going to be in the 27, 26 in the next week or two. And then when PCR speaks, if it speaks before then this is where this is where Bitcoin is going. It's going to about 23.19 when PCR speaks. Ironically, the last time PCR spoke on that Sunday, it saw what was going on. It saw the coins were devaluing. And so they hit at really the right point for them to do what they wanted to do, which was to implode the market. Here's Ethereum today. Look how bad that is. 1,800? Is it 1,800? Yeah. So Ethereum, how fast has Ethereum fallen in just a few days? 2,100? Yeah, so $200. This is why you can't have a coin that goes down 3% every day. Look at that. So where's Ethereum going? It's going to about a 1,600, and then when PCR speaks, it's going to go to about 1,000, maybe 900. Doge. Doge is just a horrible coin. It doesn't do well. It could potentially be at 15 cents by next week. I said that, hey, maybe it would be at 14 cents by the time PCR speaks, but it may get to 14 cents without PCR speaking. Look how bad this coin has been. Yeah, if that's not an obvious example of a bad coin, there you go. There's no Doge father that can help that coin. So Doge will be heading to about 14 cents. And when PCR speaks, it could be going to single digits now. And here is Polygon. So Polygon, it did not rebound from the last market crash, and now it's just not doing well. $1, and now it's at 70 cents. So it's lost 25% of its value in just 7 days. That's a lot. That is a lot of lost investment. So with those first coins, what is my approach on what to do with them? Number one, Bitcoin, Ethereum, I like as long-term holds. Doge, I don't like at all. I wouldn't buy Doge. I wouldn't buy Doge short-term. I wouldn't buy Doge long-term. I used to say I like Doge, maybe long-term. But at this point, it hasn't done anything for anyone since May. It's been a down coin. Who buys something that's just straight down for May, June, July? I mean, it's 3 months of straight down. I mean, who buys something like that? I wouldn't buy it. I would not buy it. Now, Bitcoin, Ethereum, I do have more faith in. So where do I think they're going? I think Bitcoin in 5 years will go to 100,000 and Ethereum will go to 10,000. Of those, if you weigh them, Ethereum gives the bigger return on investment if you buy cheap in like the mid-thousand range, because that's 10 times your money. If you're buying Bitcoin, let's say at 26,000 and goes to 100,000, that's only 4 times your money. So there's a bigger upside on Ethereum than Bitcoin. Again, I'm talking 5 years. So you should not be buying any coin whatsoever to hold short term. You're going to lose your shirt. Do not be buying a coin short term to hold. You're going to lose your shirt. You can only buy coins to trade them and make profits on them. I'm getting to that in a second. All right. So then what about those anomaly coins? We had these coins that had this strange run about 2 weeks ago. And they were Aave, Compound, Decentraland, Synthetic, Sushi Swap. Do I like them anymore? No. The run was over. The run is run. I did this story over the weekend. The coins ran up beautifully, 300% return. Could they do it again? Sure. But am I buying them now based on what they're doing now? No. So they went, let's say, Aave from 200 to 500. And where's it going now? Straight down. It's going straight down. You don't want to buy a coin that's going straight down. Now, if something changes and suddenly they show some lift under their feet and they start to go this way, then maybe we'll consider it. But that run is over. So Aave, no. Compound, no. Decentraland, no. Sushi Swap, no. No. These coins have had it. They are not anomaly coins anymore. Their run is over. Let's look at some of the anomaly coins. Here you go. That's 1 day chart. That's not 7 day chart. Here's 7 day chart. Yeah. And here is 3 month chart. Yeah. So it did run from 200 to 500, but it's been straight down since then. It's 340. Now it's not coming down a lot, so that's good news. It is showing some relative resistance, but it has to go up. I'm not buying something that's going down. So I'd have to see it, pop to 400. And then if it's popping to 400 and staying there for a day and a half, then hey, I'll get in. I'm not going to risk losing an upside. What is risk of losing upside? If compound goes to 400, I'm not going to worry that I lost $18 of profit. I want to see the coin do something. It ain't doing anything for anyone at the moment. So it ran from 200 to 500, and I said, get out. You made 300 profit return on a $200 coin. That's more than double your. That's more than return on your investment. That's about 120% return on your investment. I'm not getting back in because it's over at the moment. Let's look at synthetic. Synthetic may show you even more indication of how that run is over. Yeah. So synthetic ran from 6 to 9 to 13. Double your money, more than double your money, and you get out. That's it. Where is it now? 8. So am I getting in? No. Look at this chart. It's straight down. I'm not getting in. It's straight down. Don't buy. Do not buy. Do not buy. It sounds like a pep rally. Do not buy. Yeah, do not buy. It's not going anywhere. Decentraland. Here you go. So 60 cents to 56 in today. Oh, wow. That's a big fall in just one day. Let's look at Decentraland. We know it came from 40 cents. So there you go. This is a tight chart, so it's going to look like it's not that much. But look, it went 40 to 90, and now it's back to 50. So it's over. It's done. It's done that run. So it's important to know the reason why this channel has succeeded in the crypto space is because the charts don't lie. The charts don't lie. People just sort of think they know something better than what the chart says. If the chart's like this, and then the next week is like this, and the week after that is like this, and then some wacko gets and records a YouTube video and puts a Doge pillow in there and says, I have a feeling that Doge is going to $1. Well, you're a wacko, because it ain't going to $1. Look at the chart. It's been down for 3 months. It's been down the month of May and June and July. It's been down for 3 months. Wake up. It's just, but I have a feeling. Well, great. Your feelings are you need to have a massage because your feelings are out of touch. Your feelings are out of touch. Stop with your feelings because the charts don't lie. No one buys based upon their feeling. No one buys Dollar Tree stock because I have a feeling I don't like the name of that stock and it's going to go high because my sense of the name of the stock is always right. No, this is not horse racing. I chose the name of the horse because I like his colors. Oh, come on already. You got to know what you're doing. Otherwise, you're going to lose your shirt. So coins are going down. That's where they're headed. Now, is there any coin that's has an opportunity for us to make money on? Yes. Trading opportunities. There's 2 trading opportunities which are available at the moment. The anomaly trading opportunity, which is those strange coins we just went over, they're not there anymore. So that's gone. So we're back to our original 2. Day trading and flipping. Day trading and flipping. Those are the only 2. Day trading you can do when the market's up. You can do it when the market's down. Flipping you can do when the market is up, all the coins. So you're going to look at all the coins in your platform, and you're going to see a sea of green. You're not seeing that today. You see a sea of red. So you're not being able to flip anything today. You may be able to day trade. You can day trade any day of the week. What is the difference between the 2 strategies? They're similar in very regards in that you're buying and selling. You're not holding. You're not holding. All these people with their sort of strange peer pressure investing, I guess you would call it. Oh, you didn't hold. You don't have a stomach for it. You are weak. You are not the chosen one. You didn't hold. No, I sold because it's a crappy coin. And I got my profit out. Yes, that's why I sold. And then there's that person who said, oh, I bought Doge at 80 cents, so I'm holding. I have a feeling. Yeah, well, you're not a Doge millionaire. In fact, there's no Doge millionaire at this point. So what you're doing is you're buying and selling. Why are you selling? Because it's a down market. It's obvious. It's a down market. It's like this. You're not holding it. You're taking a profit. What's a profit? A quick return on your investment that you cannot do in stocks. Stocks don't return 20% return in 3 hours. They don't return 20% return in 2 days, generally. There's always a strange breakout situation, but they don't return 20% investment in 3 days. Coins can do that. So what is the difference between day trading and flipping? Is just the time frame. So again, day trading is when the market is up or down, and flipping is when the market is all up. How do you do them? How do you do them? Very simple. Day trading, you're going to look for a coin that is up 17% for the day. Then you're going to look at the chart and say, does that chart have the ability to go up another 20% in the next day and a half? If you think it does, then you buy the coin. And if you're right, then you're going to get out of the coin, or get ready to get out of the coin when it's up 20%. It may do that in 2 hours. But if the coin is still up, you stay in there. You stay in there understanding that the run is likely to end within a day and a half. Be ready to get out at any spur of the moment. You cannot turn off your phone. You cannot leave the computer, because you're in a position you have to get out of and take the profit. Remember, you haven't made the profit until you sell it. So don't go on a hiking trip for a day while you're in the position. You have to be ready to get out and know when you have to get out. Now, the flipping opportunity is slightly different. That is basically the same entrance where you see the whole market up and a coin that's up 18%, you're going to get in, and you're going to think that you're going to get at least a 20% ride, but the whole market's up. And with that ride, the coin continues to go up, and the whole market stays up for a second day, potentially. So you still stay in the coin. Within 3 days, the whole market is not going to stay up. Why? Because it's a downtrending market. The market will not be up 3 days in a row. The market may be up 2 days or 2.5 days, but this is a downtrending market. So in no case is the market going to go up for 3 days. And sometime in there, you're going to be the time for you to get out, and you got to get out. Do the two trading opportunities complement each other? They do. In the case of day trading, you can get into the position, and then if the position is still up after a day and a half, then don't sell. You're still up. Roll it into a flipping opportunity, but keep track of time. Have you been in the coin now for 2 days? Well, remember, you got one more day left. And as you get closer to that third day, it's going to fall very quickly. So get ready to get out. And that's when a day trading flips into a flippable. Is there any coin that is doing a 18% return pop up at the moment, or 70% up? What is the best performing coin up for today? And the best performing coin is up only 4% right today. Ouch. So we're going into one of the platforms, Gemini. We're clicking on the third column, and we are ranking the coins, the best coin. And here is if it clicks again, here is your best coin, Kyber Networks, up 4%. There's nothing there. Now, you can look throughout the day. There may be something later in the day. There is usually at least one coin. There's usually at least one coin per day that gives you a opportunity to buy. If you have 2 coins, then great. You do 2 coins. Whenever you have the opportunities, take the opportunity. If you don't have an opportunity that day, don't sweat it. I mean, you don't have to do this 7 days a week, And if you don't have an opportunity today, maybe tomorrow you'll have 2 opportunities. Understand those opportunities often manifest themselves throughout the day. So you have to look throughout the day. You may see Kyber up 4% now. It may be up 18% in 2 hours from now. And then you're like, aha, yeah, now you moved, Kyber. Okay. Can I ride you another 20% up? Okay, I think I can, I'll get in, right? Maybe you say I cannot. So no, I'm not getting into you. And then that opportunity manifests itself. What I often do is I also look at the worst performing coins of the day. Sometimes the worst performing coins of the day are the best performing coins the next day because they got killed one day. They're just coming back. Remember, we're not holding the coin. We're not investing in the coin long term. So it may just be coming out of a very bad downturn it took yesterday. And when you hear those names from one day, you'll remember them the next day. So always look into the coins and see, which coins are taking the biggest hit right now. Now, remember, every platform has different coins. So not every coin is on, for example, Gemini. Here is CoinMarketCap.com on my left. CoinMarketCap.com lists a lot more coins. Is there any coin on CoinMarketCap.com right today that is way up? Or at least, up more than 3%. Let's see. Oh, yeah, there is. Dash, up 16% right now. So great. That's a candidate. I may want to buy Dash, ride it for 20% and get out. It's up only 4% for the 7 days, so that's a good indicator. What's the worst performing coin today? Helium. Oh, so Helium was one of the best coins yesterday. That's example there you go again. Best performing coin yesterday, worst performing coin today. Helium, Stacks. Interesting. Stacks has big runs. Maybe Stacks runs tomorrow. And then we have a couple of 9% down coins. So it's a bad market. Remember, these 3% down days just compound themselves. You cannot progressively lose 3% day in, day out. Eventually what happens is the coin devalues. And there you go. Hopefully these opportunities you understood through this recording shows you where you can make money. Making money is day trading and flipping. And when you get those opportunities, you get them. You get in as quickly as you can. And with that, subscribe. 400,000 subscribers of YouTube record. I want you part of this channel. Hit that subscribe button. Like this video. 2,000 to 3,000 likes. And consider becoming a member.